In the teacher account of the Electude e-learning system, you can see 4 tabs on the top left corner of the page, which corresponding to 4 different pages. Click on a tab to open the corresponding page. In the Modules page, you can find all the learning content. Modules are the basic building blocks of the Electude content. You can use the folder-like structure on the left side of the page to find specific modules. When you find the module, you can click on Start Module to have a preview of the module. In the Courses page, you can find all the courses, including predefined and self-made courses. Courses are containers to modules. One or more modules can be put in a course, for easier organizing. Click on a course to see the modules it contains. Then click on a module, and click on Start Module to have a preview of the module. In the Students page you can see all the student group. Click on a group to view its member, and the student results. In the Settings page you can change your account settings.